The 2020 Sabah state election took place on 26 September 2020. This election is to elect 73 members of the 16th Sabah State Legislative Assembly. The previous assembly was dissolved on 30 July 2020. The snap state election was called after a political crisis arose. Both Shafee Aptel, incumbent chief minister and leader of Sabah Heritage Party and Pakatan Harapan coalition government, and Musa Aman, leader of Perikatan Nasional and Barisan Nasional coalition opposition, claimed to have the majority to form the government. However, the governor of Sabah, Juhur Maharutan, decided to dissolve the state legislative assembly on the advice of Shafee. The state election will be conducted under the special standard operating procedures imposed by the Electoral Commission due to the new normal, as the country is still under the Recovery Movement Control Order due COVID-19 pandemic. Perikatan Nasional won the election with a simple majority of 38 seats. The 14th general election witnessed 29 seats from the government side and 31 seats from the non-government side filled the state legislative assembly. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.